Arrive in style with this 2006 Chrysler 300 Series Touring. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: ABS, passenger adjustable lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, power outlet, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, heated mirrors, engine immobilizer, and driver adjustable lumbar. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.